For over 75 years, MVCC has been focused on the future of the Mohawk Valley and those who call it home. What will tomorrow's careers look like? Who will be ready to fill them? How can we best provide the education and training needed for the community to thrive? New York State is home to nationally renowned programs in technology, manufacturing, healthcare, cybersecurity, and education, and MVCC is at the center of it all. As the community's college, we are committed to providing accessible, high-quality educational opportunities for everyone. We connect people with opportunities, employers with skilled workforce, and families with better futures. For today's students and local businesses, we are a smart investment. Our tuition is among the lowest in New York State, and the quality of education is among the highest, a world-class education in the heart of New York State's Tech Valley. MVCC looks to continue our impact and strengthen our ability to transform lives and communities through the power of education. MVCC is a model of transformational learning and is at the heart of our region's workforce development progress. By creating innovative, affordable, and accessible pathways to education, MVCC is providing opportunities for everyone to find their way more easily into skilled jobs with career potential. So many of the innovative programs and new education models MVCC provides would not be possible without the support of Oneida County, numerous workforce development grants, local businesses, alumni, and donors, as well as our talented and dedicated staff. As we look toward building better futures, we hope you will continue to support the college and in turn create more possibilities and a stronger job market in the Mohawk Valley region.